Good afternoon. And we are back again, Ryan and me. We are exploring Bhandup as usual. And we are at Jangal Mangal Road. And we are exploring a typical Malayali joint, which is called SM. And I will tell you more later. So, this is SM Eating House, SHREE MUTHAPPAN Eating House, which is a typical Kerala restaurant. And if you really relish Kerala food, idhar aane ka, you will enjoy it. And as we go in, we'll speak more about the food. We'll speak more about the Kerala delicacies. And this has been here for last more than 35 years. Established in 1989. Believe you me, when I was a kid, I came here and I had puttu kadala here. But after that, I'm exploring it yet again with Ryan. And Ryan also has been here. He has also had something which he will speak differently. So we have entered the premises. It's a typical setup, which is so nice. You get childhood memories, and it's still the same. They have maintained the standards, still the same. And we are going to dig into some dishes and delicacies, my dear friends, Kerala delicacies. And there are a lot of people who come here. I will take more of Malayali people, and there is a shop outside of this restaurant which gives your typical coconut oil, which is very clear and very crystal. So everything normally in Kerala is cooked in coconut oil, So as we eat, I will tell you whether it is oil, whether it is coconut oil. So, guys, such a beautiful layout. Parotha, appam with chutney, with sambar, sugiyan, padampuri. इधे जो मेरे को मनीष में नहीं मिला था दाल वड़ा परिपू वड़ा. This is egg curry which goes well with paratha, and this is kadala curry, but this is they have made it white. Normally it is black, but that's okay. And the typical tangent of the lemon. Kerala mein lemon is always given as a pickle. And we have got this boiled rice. We've got this capsicum. Again the same. Tamarind, pickle. Yeah, that's pickle. And thank you. We were talking across the table also. But it's so good. Yeah. And this is chicken masala. It is a super place for having Kerala delicacy. And they've got something for me, which is aila. Aila means mackerel. This is mackerel fried, typically Kerala style. So beautiful. And guys, I really want to eat into this right now. I can't talk much more. So, this is appam. Very crisp and very thick in between. And I want to get into the middle of it. Appam is basically rice, grounded, and normally in Kerala, kalle bolte hain. Kalle means toddy. It is fermented with toddy, but unfortunately here in Maharashtra we don't get the pure sort of toddy. So maybe it is fermented with a bit of urad dal, which I can feel. And normally they want to make it sweeter, so they put a bit of sugar, which is not there in this. But it's nice. It's very nice. Let's come to the vada now. See this, see this, see this. Oh. So crispy. The batter is just encrusted so beautifully. See, I don't want to contradict, but I think you should come here and taste this medu vada with appam. Awesome. यहाँ पे अर्ली मॉर्निंग कब खुलता है?
5 बजे ओपन होता है।
अच्छा, और मूविंग क्या होता है? सुबह
सुबह इधर का स्पेशल है
अब
और मंगल है। उसके थोड़ा टाइम बाद इडली आएगा, फिर 8 बजे तक डोसा आएगा, 9 बजे तक वो चालू होता है।
पराठा कब चालू होता है?
परोठा को 10 बजे चालू होता है।
10 बजे
परोठा, राइस और चिकन, मच्छी,
लेकिन ना मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ, ये काले चने क्यों नहीं बनते? काबुली चने बनते हैं।
12 बजे आपको मिलेगा दाल राइस, पालक पूरी, 1 बजे पे मिलेगा पानी पूरी,
सही। तो आप सुबह 5 बजे खुलते हैं, पौने 5 बजे खुलते हैं, 4:30 बजे सुबह खुलते हैं। They get up early in the morning, and believe me, it's a rocking breakfast. I wanted to check this place with breakfast and with the food also. So I'm going to check the chicken, I'm going to check the fish, I'm going to check the rice, and bon appetit.
जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि ये जंगल मंगल रोड पे है, यहाँ पे भट्टीपाड़ा है, जहाँ पे क्लोथ मार्केट है, फ्रूट मार्केट है। तो भांडुप स्टेशन से आप रिक्शा अगर लेते हो तो डायरेक्ट थ्रू भट्टीपाड़ा आप यहाँ पे आ सकते हो। भट्टीपाड़ा के काफ़ी नज़दीक है और यहाँ पे जो लोकेलिटी है नॉर्मली 80% महाराष्ट्रियन लोकेलिटी है, लेकिन दिस इज़ वेरी फेमस फॉर अदर पीपल ऑल्सो। जैसे जहाँ पे कांजूर में चर्च है, चर्च के पास सारे लोग यहाँ पे आते हैं ब्रेकफास्ट करने के लिए, क्योंकि यहाँ पे स्पेशली केरला डेलिकेसीज मिलते हैं। परोठा है, अप्पम है, पुट्ट है, लेकिन पुट्ट अभी बनाया गया नहीं है, मेरे ख्याल से शाम को बनता है। बट अदरवाइज आपको दाल वड़ा है और थाली में आपको बाकी सब कुछ है, तो आपको सब टाइप का खाना यहाँ पे मिलता है। तो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट एनीथिंग, बट इन द मॉर्निंग इट इज बिट क्राउडेड, सो I will suggest people to come in the afternoon, because afternoon we have everything ready here and it is less crowded.
So after talking about appam and the vada sambar, I will go to something which is sweeter side later, but I'll tell you, this is chor, and the combination is, this is a chicken gravy, just take the chicken, yeah, and the gravy, and just a morsel of it. Typical Kerala flavor. इसमें pepper है, which is Aromatic, and the chicken is also just soft and crispy. Not crispy, succulent. Then I got this parotha, This goes well with. This is a motta. Motta means egg. Motta curry. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. You want to feel Kerala? Come to SN in Bhandup, Jangal Mangal Road.
अभी जैश में चिकन फ्राई राइस के साथ ओके ये जो है बांगड़ा फ्राई है ये टिक्का के बनाया गया है और इसको आई प्रिफर हैव विद परोठा This is made in coconut chicken oil and very nice. You can enjoy lemon, onion and pickle, which is very nice, very
You know what, guys? Ryan is more of a vegetarian. So if we're digging into this Haila or Mackerel, you see the flesh. But it's, even in this rainy season, they've got the best of the fish. And Ryan can work for it because he knows better about fish. I do know, but it is very clear.
Okay. No Kerala food goes without a lemon pickle. Naranga. इसको नारंगा बोलते हैं. Just chakku. Chumma. Awesome. We've got here paripoda. The finest, crispy, fantastic. And multiple choices, but here is something which I like. Padam puri. Banana fried, but you can really taste the banana, which is called Neenaram Padam, which is Kerala specialty, which is long bananas, thick, strong, hard-skinned. Everybody likes Kerala chips, but this is also a delicacy which is made from the same banana. Now I come to one more thing. Aha. See this. Sugian. Moong dal. Jaggery. Serving a coconut. And the batter is actually rice coated or I don't know. Normally in Kerala it is rice coated, but it's simply after a dinner. I think this is the most beautiful sweet dish, but this is in Kerala is taken as a evening snack, which is rich in protein and wholesome. And having said that, I didn't speak about this. Very good combination. You can feel a bit of garam masala, which is very typical to Kerala, God's own country. And it will go very well with appam. But I did not try it with appam because I was having so many things, you know. And this is capsicum. Oh, super. Very good. Just too good, man. Too good.
तो हम लोग ने बहुत सारा रिव्यू किया, खाना बहुत अच्छा था और जैसे कि आप जानते हैं बॉम्बे की ब्यूटी क्या है. बीइंग दिस प्लेस इन मुंबई, स्टिल पीपल लाइक फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र, फ्रॉम अदर कम्युनिटीज, दे लव टू कम हियर क्योंकि यही बॉम्बे की ब्यूटी है. हर टाइप का फूड जो है लोग एंजॉय करते हैं, वेदर इट इज़ साउथ इंडियन, नॉर्थ इंडियन. ओके, जैसे मॉर्निंग में नॉर्मली साउथ इंडियन ही चलता है और यहाँ का स्पेशलिटी है अप्पम. सुबह सैटरडे संडे आपको हाफ एन आवर आपको वेट करके ही आपसे आने की एंट्री मिलती है और पार्सल बहुत सारे रहते हैं. तो अप्पम और परोठा ये मेन डेलिकेसीज है मॉर्निंग के, और दोपहर को आपको जो चाहिए सब कुछ मिलता है शाम तक. और जैसे रिक्शा ड्राइवर्स है, अदर लेबर्स है, यहाँ पे आते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ का फूड है जो एकदम रिजनेबल है, अच्छा प्राइस है, जैसा घर में खाना मिलता है उसी टाइप का खाना मिलता है, खाली केरला फ्लेवर में आता है। तो आप जरूर ये ट्राई करें।
Actually, guys, we are full, but believe you me, still they have something called panpoli. You know, it is baked in a banana leaf, and in Goa, we call this patoli. Patoli means if you open it up, if you just open it up, it's all coconut and jaggery. And it's a delicacy, you know. It is always done, you know, in Mother Mary's feast में ये बनता है. But here they make it very clearly, which is called panpoli, and just too good. Coconut, jaggery, and the rice batter, and the banana leaf makes it all the more fantastic.
केरला शॉप बहुत जुना शॉप है और ये केरला होटल है। सब कम्युनिटी के लोग आते हैं, मराठी यहाँ होके भी सब कम्युनिटी के लोग आते हैं। इतना जुना, इतना डिलीशियस फूड है। और ये भी हमारा जो शॉप है इनका एक पार्ट है जो केला वगैरह मिलता है, बनाना, ये केरला का बनाना, ये केरला का नारा मिक्सचर बोलते हैं, नारा मिक्सचर, ये डाइट चूड़ा, मेथी चकली, ये सब आइटम सब केरला से आते हैं। जो स्पेशली केरला वाले लोग आके लेके, ये उन्नीअप्पम, ये आरी उंडा है, ये सब फेमस आइटम है। तो प्लीज आ जाइए, यहाँ पे अच्छा चीज मिलेंगे आप लोग को खाने के लिए। केरला का टिपिकल केरला फूड मिलेंगे। ओके।